Tell me about yourself.
Okay. My name is Malin. I am from Karnataka and I am studying in 11th class.
You are studying in ninth class. Yes,
11th class.
11th class. Okay, okay. And apart from
Sorry?
like what like okay, that's enough for me. And you are a student right now. Yes.
Yes, brother.
Okay. And I will give you my introduction. I'm Prasant Chaudhary from UP. And right now I'm pursuing my graduation. And this is third year. And I'm not a teacher. I'm a student. I'm also learning in English. Okay. So uh, you were saying something like you wanted to ask me something. Please ask me.
No, brother. I didn't say like that. I want to learn something from you. Just I want to learn some vocabulary from you because nowadays my is actually bad for that.
Okay. So like you are younger and you can learn anything. Right now your age I think in around in 15 and
Yes,
14. Yes.
yes, yes.
Yeah. So I think you should start to read English book.
Yes, yes, brother.
No. Are you reading any book?
No, I'm not reading any book, but nowadays I'm reading one essay book.
One
Essay,
passage.
book. Okay,
What are you reading?
essay.
Essay. Essay in your class. Class essay. Yes. Okay. So in which medium you are pursuing your 12th and say 11th?
Before that, until 10th class, I was pursuing my education in Kannada medium, my native language. But now I took science stream after 10th class, 11th class.
Like right now you are pursuing your education in English language. That's why you face you are facing some problems. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So are you taking any class to learn English?
No, no, brother, I'm not taking any class. But
Okay.
but I am watching some spoken English classes on YouTube.
Mm-hmm. You should do this. This thing you should do. Okay. So, okay, like according to me, like you are younger, so you can do anything. Like you should start to read an English book. You should start to read a story. It's a simple story. You don't need to learn more and more vocabulary. If I say you will follow, you should read in a book and then you count a lot of vocabulary. No, first of all, you should understanding a knowledge, understand a basic idea about the knowledge in English. Then if you will able to read any book, then you can automatically develop this kind of thing. And your after if you will follow this kind of consistency a few months, definitely you will have so many vocabulary automatically in your mind. Then you can write anything, and then you can elaborate anything, then you can speak anything what you want to say in front of the people, then you can. So first of all, focus to reading. Like reading is the I think so many people want to learn English, but they don't like to read. Well, please, you should develop this kind of habit. Yeah, I know it's not easy to develop this habit, but if you will keep practicing, definitely you will develop this habit in once a while.
So, um, how were you started your English journey, brother?
I have been learning English since 2020 December November continuously and speaking, especially in the speaking part.
From where, brother?
2020. 2020.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh, in your beginning of English journey, so what kind of books were you reading, brother?
Yeah. When I was start to read English book. I faced so many problems because that time I didn't have any idea about vocabulary, and I didn't have much vocabulary, so that's why uh, I couldn't read more book that time. But now I have a good vocabulary, so I can read book any book. So like if I will follow this consistencies too in my future, definitely after some months I will have it so many vocabulary. So I have been focusing to vocabulary since that. Okay, so I think you should do also this work. Please don't be afraid. Like if you don't know so many vocabulary, you can write it down. Some vocabulary, less 2 and 3 vocabulary daily and 5 vocabulary. What do you want to write? Whatever you can learn per day. It depends on you. So you can write it down and to memorize 3 and 2 times in daily basis, and you should start to use. Use is very important tool.
Yes, brother.
And English just a game. Like right now you are able to speak English. You need to only improvement, and if you will follow some consistency, you will achieve your IQ. You will achieve your goal. So how many siblings you have?
Yeah, I have five five siblings. Yes, I have five siblings. And I have four sisters and one brother. And my three sisters got married, and my elder sister is working in private company somewhere, and my brother is working in our farm.
Okay, so you are from Karnataka. It's a great state. Karnataka, where is it? Oh yes, it is there. Okay, I can see your state because I have map of India. I have it in my room. I can see. Your bond is touch in a sea, ocean.
Yes, brother, yes, brother. Uh, RB, yes,
Like your village is close to ocean.
yes.
Yeah, where you are living in a city or village?
No, no, I'm living in village.
So village, your village is like situated in a close to sea, like ocean,
No, no, no. My village is related to Copper, brother,
copper.
Copper. You can see on the map.
Okay, okay, got it. Okay, so like okay, okay. So anything you want to ask me, please ask.
Mm, mm, yes,
Like I want to say only focus to listening and reading. Daily basis, listen a lot, read a lot.
yes,
Daily
yes,
basis, 2 and 3 pages daily basis read.
yes, yes,
Because I'm also reading nowadays. You
yes.
can see in the group. Today I have finished a book. I shared a link. I shared a picture in a group. Have
Yes.
you have you seen
No, no, I
English
didn't.
English Bharadwaj group? Vishnu Bharadwaj group.
No, 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 no. No, brother, I didn't see it.
Oh, no issue. No issue.
So, today in our group, someone is sent a video.
I,
This,
yes, so I think you can watch those videos, but so many videos are available in net video. You
uh,
can watch any videos.
the policemen are beating one person on the road, the street.
Mhm. Oh yes, 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 yes. Someone sent. Then yes, I have replied him.
What is it, brother?
Like it's only sometime controversy happened in any state, so it's not a big deal. It's a normal thing.
But I didn't understand it.
No issue.
So, tell me about yourself, like about your family and about yourself. So tell me, brother.
Uh, in my family, There are 6 members, my grandparents and my parents, and I have a one siblings, my brother. He is elder than me, and he is also student. He is also pursuing his degree now, and I'm also a student. I'm also pursuing my graduation. Yes, that's all it is.
So what are you pursuing, brother, now?
I'm pursuing my BSc with physics and chemistry, Bachelor of Science. Where your family member? They have gone anywhere?
Yeah, yeah. My sister is working outside, and my parents are went to our farm, and my brother is went to my sister's hometown. And my elder sister, she's working in private company, as I told you. And my two sisters, they are in
Uh,
hometown.
okay, so right now you are very curious person to learn English and your age only 40, 14, and it is great. I appreciate you. I glad to see you. So like I think you have so many friends in your place. Yes. Do you like to
Yes,
play with? Do you like to play with them? I'm saying like, do you like to play with them?
yes.
Play.
No, 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 I don't like. But some friends are in our hometown, and some friends are their hometown.
Oh, you don't like play.
Yes,
I think, but you should play with them because because it's a demand on your age.
yes.
You are 14 only, so you should play with them.
But I don't like to play any game with anybody.
Okay, great. So, what's your daily routine? What do you like to do in your daily basis?
uh,
Study.
yeah. Sometimes I study, and sometimes I go to our farm and do some work.
What kind of farms and what kind of crops there?
Crop.
Crops in
Uh,
your farm.
Recently, we have found some tomato seeds.
Tomato.
Okay. Seeds,
You have
seeds, and,
and
and
grapes.
sorry?
Grapes. Sorry.
Brother, I don't know one crop name in English.
Okay, you can speak in your language.
We can call it as Alsandi.
Sorry.
Alsandi.
Okay, I don't know. And also, I didn't get your point
Like, like
because I don't know like what's your native language? Is Karnataka?
yeah, my native language is Kannada. Kannada.
Canada. Your okay. Your native language is Canada. Great, great. And my native language is Hindi.
Yes, yes,
So you don't know, I think, Hindi, and I don't know Kannada.
yes, yes, yes. Yes.
You know, I think. Do you know any Hindi? Do you know
Don't know, like mm,
little bit?
आपका नाम क्या हुआ, like this sentence. I just don't know.
Oh, great! It's mean like, what's your name? The Hindi sentence is आपका नाम क्या है?
आपका
मेरा
क्या हुआ, आपका क्या
मेरा
हुआ.
नाम यस मेरा नाम प्रशांत है और मैं यूपी से हूँ.
Yes.
इट्स अ हिंदी.
But Hindi is the third language. When I was in 10th class, Hindi is our third language. Yes, yes.
Yeah, Hindi is good because Hindi is our official language, you can say. So we should learn Hindi. Hindi is most important to if we are in live in we are living in India. That's sometime because in your future you will go in Delhi Do you want to visit in Delhi? Sorry. Please, you are mute. You are mute. Mute. I can't listen you.
You know?
Yeah, yes. Do you want to visit Delhi?
No, no, brother. But it is too far away.
Yes, I know. It's a very so far away from you.
So when I was in 10th class, I didn't think too much about English, but now I think about English. English is most important in our life or any.
Hmm. Yeah, you are saying correct.
Yes, brother. Mm, Just
English
you,
is the most.
yes,
Yeah.
I was in 10th class. Just I was reading just exam purpose. I didn't read anything.
Got it. Great. So, after finish our conversation, what do you do? What do you do?
Sorry.
Like I'm saying, after finish our conversation, what will you do?
After complete our conversation, go to do some work. Just like what can I say, cleaning our in front of home. What can I say? Uh, cleaning in front of our home.
Oh, okay. You will clean. You will clean.
Yes, yes.
Okay, great.
Uh,
So,
gathering
like, what kind of tree in there? Trees, trees,
tea.
tree, R-E-E.
Neem tree.
Coconut?
No, but we have coconut trees in our farm. We don't have in front of our.
Like when I was in 10th standard, I was reading a book, and then I saw like in South Indian like so many coconut tree, but in North India we have no any tree this kind of. We don't have any coconut tree.
Are you living in city or in village, brother?
Right now, yes, I'm also living. Like right now, I'm also living in my village. Sometime I live in the city.
Yes, yes. Okay. Uh,
I think you are recording video. Yes,
yes, yes, brother.
great, good. You can watch after.
Nowadays, I want to have conversation with uh, someone and upload those all videos to YouTube. But because whenever I make mistake in this video,
Like right now you are learning English, so you should not focus to mistake. You should focus to speak only one. If you will focus to mistake, you can't learn new. First
yes,
of all, focus to learn. Please speak whatever you want to speak. Please speak. Please now you should focus only on your speak part. You don't focus to your what when you speak with someone, what kind of mistake you are following. No, it's not a perfect times to to recognize the mistake, to find the mistake. It's not perfect time. Right now it's your time, so you should focus on your speak, whatever you want to convey only.
yes,
Yes.
brother.
Yeah.
Yes. Mm,
Ask me.
what I ask you, brother?
Do you know Krishna? God.
Sorry,
Krishna. Who is Krishna?
no,
Krishna, Ram. Do you know?
yes, brother. I know. Uh, yes, yes, I know. They are
Yes.
Mahabharata, Ramayana.
Ramayana, Mahabharata. Yes. Do you believe in?
I often watching like that video about Ramayana Mahabharata. Uh, India mostly,
Great. So, and whatever you want to ask me, please ask me.
no, brother, now I don't have question for you.
Okay. So, like, if you want to conversation with me, like again, then you send me a message. You can send me a message. I will call you again.
Okay, brother. Okay,
Okay.
brother.
Whatever you want to ask me, then you can ask.
Okay,
Okay.
brother.
Sure. Bye.
Bye.